Hi, it's Brent here from Terrain Tamer, and I'm down at all 4x4 spares, a relationship that goes back over 30 years actually, right back before four-wheel driving was as popular as it is today. I wanted to talk to you about our brake range, which is interesting because it's very much four-wheel drive people making four-wheel drive brakes as opposed to a braking company making an application for a four-wheel drive. So there we have an OE replacement rotor, four-wheel drive pads, which are a semi-metallic material, but for those that are over weighted or going through a lot of sludge and mush, we recommend then the Terrain Tamer heavy duty brake pads and the high performance rotors that are drilled and slotted. But what I also want to point out was the range of handbrake repair kits, mainly for the Toyota, and they come with a specially modified strut or dog bone, some call it in the industry. We first designed this about 25 years ago. It's becoming a little bit more common in the industry, but certainly if you don't know about this, please be aware that there is ways to improve the Land Cruiser handbrake. So you can buy all this at all 4x4 spares, and let us know. It's just one other way we can improve and strengthen your vehicle.